ABC7 News.
Good evening, and thank you for joining us for this special edition of ABC7 News. If you heard President Obama speak tonight, you know his State of the Union message was all about investing in the future.
Still coming up on this special edition of ABC7 News, a new national report card on the state of education in this country. Find out why we are getting an F in science. Well, in his State of the Union address tonight, President Obama spoke about investing more in education to compete with other countries. One recent report finds we are seriously lagging behind in science, especially here in California. More now from ABC's education reporter Lyanne Melendez.
These Lincoln High School students are extracting protein from the muscles of different fish. Through their DNA, they'll be able to find out if any of the fish are related.
This is what I would call authentic assessment. So rather than caring about what information you memorize, which can always be looked up, we care about teaching you how to apply your knowledge to solve problems.
And that's what biotech companies are looking for. Unfortunately, a 2009 assessment which specifically focused on science found that 40% of all high school seniors in this country perform below the basic science level. The National Assessment of Educational Progress, known as NAEP, was given to 4th, 8th, and 12th grade students nationwide. The results? Most of these students were not proficient in science. Among the big states, Massachusetts ranked highest, California among the lowest. The executive director of San Francisco's Exploratorium is a science, education, and policy expert who worked in Massachusetts.
Where science reform is going, and places like Massachusetts have really embraced this, and California, unfortunately, used to be a leader here, is that hands-on experimental part. That science that I get to do and see what the results are, and then interpret those results and communicate them to my teacher and my classmates and somebody else.
Noah Borrero is with USF's School of Teacher Education. He blames the 2002 No Child Left Behind federal law, which pushed science out of the classroom to make room for reading and math.
We get to a point where we're so heavy in the reading, literacy, math, in the standards and with our expectations on these standardized tests that many things get left behind.
The Obama administration is working on the next version of No Child Left Behind, now pending in Congress. The hope is that there will be more emphasis placed on science in all of the nation's schools. In San Francisco, Lyanne, Melendez, ABC7 News.